Have you ever wondered why certain men capture the attention of all the ladies effortlessly, while others spend every day trying to impress, only to fail? The key lies in possessing traits that are particularly attractive to women. If you think being a kind and considerate guy is enough to capture female interest, sadly, many disappointments await you. Some men might even blame women for not understanding their true needs or express frustration with questions like, "What does she see in him? He doesn't even treat her well." However, it's not their fault. It's simply how human nature works. Have you ever reflected on why certain men capture the attention of all the ladies effortlessly, while others spend each day trying to impress but only face failures? The key lies in possessing characteristics particularly attractive to women. If you think being a nice and considerate guy is enough to capture female interest, sadly, many disappointments await you. Some men might even blame women for not understanding their true needs or express frustration with questions like, "What does she see in him? He doesn't even treat her well." However, it's not their fault. It's simply how human nature works. Fundamentally, women seek qualities in a man that relate to the evolution and survival of the species. They require someone robust and authoritative, as biologically, this suggests the protection and continuity of the group. If a man appears desperate or insecure, he tends to be less attractive to women. In this video, we will delve deeply into 5 traits that can increase your attractiveness to women. However, before we go deeper, it is crucial to understand this fascinating phenomenon. The first trait on the list is the most obvious and recognized that attracts women to a man. Number 1. Confidence. Since ancient times, confidence has been a fundamental value. But what does it really mean? Confidence is based on the ability to act competently. In ancient times, women sought a strong and capable man as a requirement for survival. His confidence was a clear indicator of his ability to sustain and protect. Imagine meeting a man who lacks security and can't even maintain eye contact. Would you trust him in critical situations? Clearly, the answer is no. The lack of confidence usually has an underlying cause, and overcoming it involves being honest with yourself before making any changes. For example, if your insecurity arises from not feeling comfortable in social settings, the appropriate step would be to involve yourself more in those contexts. Or if the lack of confidence comes from issues like being overweight, the solution might be going to the gym. In both examples, these actions will benefit you in 2 ways. First, with practice, you will improve in areas where you usually feel weak. Beyond that, repeatedly facing challenges will help you develop a genuine internal confidence that cannot be faked. This new confidence will manifest as a powerful aura that women will naturally detect in you. Number 2, developing a sense of humor. It is well known that having a sense of humor is tremendously beneficial when relating to women. But what does it really mean to have grace? It's not necessary to memorize hundreds of jokes from the internet or act like a clown. In my experience, the best approach is to remain jovial, relaxed, and somewhat sarcastic. Don't be afraid to make funny observations about her, as long as you do it with a smile and a mischievous look, indicating that your comments are affectionate. However, a crucial aspect is the ability to laugh at yourself, which is essential in this attraction game. No woman finds it attractive to be with someone who takes themselves too seriously, as that can denote insecurity. Life is full of funny moments and embarrassing situations, and being able to laugh at your own flaws demonstrates true self-confidence. Wrapping yourself in an atmosphere of security and self-acceptance is extremely attractive. It shows that you don't dramatize life's inconveniences, that you can handle mistakes and setbacks with elegance and humor. This is not only charming but also reflects considerable emotional maturity. Laughing at your own mistakes and flaws makes you more approachable and genuine, facilitating a deeper and more sincere connection with those around you. Sharing your laughter and moments of vulnerability with others creates an environment of trust and comfort where relationships can thrive. Shared laughter intensifies emotional bonds and makes couple experiences more enjoyable and memorable. Ultimately, being funny not only involves making others laugh, but also includes the ability to laugh at yourself, which undoubtedly results in charm and considerable attractiveness. Number 3. Being attractive. I understand your thoughts, and although it may be difficult to accept, physical appearance plays a crucial role in attracting women. It's impossible to ignore. Fortunately, there are measures you can take to improve your image. You don't need to be born with privileged genetics. What matters is the constant effort you put into looking presentable. Firstly, it's vital to pay attention to the details. Make sure your hair is well-groomed, your beard is trimmed, or your face is clean-shaven. Your nails are short, and of course, don't skip your daily shower. Choosing a good perfume can also make a big difference. Also, don't underestimate the importance of skincare. Controlled sun exposure can give you a healthy glow that's very attractive. Getting enough sleep and following a balanced diet rich in nutrients also improves your appearance. If you think it's necessary, you might even consider taking vitamin supplements to ensure your body is in optimal condition. But most importantly, keep your body in shape. Going to the gym will not only help you build muscle and maintain a proper weight, but it will also give you that special glow that comes from the vitality and energy that regular exercise provides. In conclusion, your appearance is your calling card, and taking care of all these aspects will undoubtedly make you more attractive to women. Number 4. Being unavailable. Recently, you've started dating a new and exciting girl, which is a unique experience. However, my friend, it's crucial not to let yourself be dominated by the enthusiasm of your feelings. It's natural to want to spend a lot of time with her and quickly respond to her messages due to the rush of dopamine you're feeling. However, here lies the secret. You must practice self-discipline. It's essential to understand the role that attention plays in interactions with women. They value and desire attention, and they need it to feel valued and special. However, it's important to maintain a balance, as giving too much attention constantly can make the relationship monotonous. The real art lies in keeping her interested, making her wonder when she'll receive that unique attention only you can offer again. It's a game of anticipation, where uncertainty and expectation create an exciting atmosphere. To achieve this balance, it's vital that you maintain an active life and not devote your entire existence to one woman. It's crucial to preserve your own interests, activities, and friendships to maintain a healthy and lasting relationship. Instead of changing your life to adapt to hers, seek a balance between your personal life and your life as a couple. This not only keeps you interesting and attractive, but also ensures that both of you have the necessary space to develop and thrive within the relationship. When both parties can maintain their individual identities and continue pursuing their personal passions and goals, the relationship has the potential to flourish. It thrives on mutual respect and reciprocity, which in turn strengthens the bond between both of you. So, friends, remember that attention is important, but knowing how to dose it and maintaining a balance in your personal lives is key to a long-lasting and satisfying relationship. Number 5. Practicing stoicism. True invincibility is achieved when you adopt the discipline of integrating stoicism into your daily life. If you reach a level of self-control where you master your mind and emotions, you become a powerful being with complete mastery of yourself. Being stoic means that, no matter what happens, you maintain serenity. If your partner leaves you, it hurts, but you accept it and move on with your life. If your mother dies, despite being a painful loss, you understand that you cannot change what happened. Dwelling on the sadness doesn't change the facts, so you continue with your activities. Managing your thoughts and emotions this way is a clear testament to your inner strength. When a woman finds a man who demonstrates this level of self-control, she feels an inescapable attraction. Her entire being is drawn to someone with such exceptional capability. This ability to manage your emotions with stoicism becomes a powerful tool in your favor, And by perfecting stoicism, countless possibilities open up before you. Do not underestimate the impact of this quality in your life. By mastering the art of stoicism, you will see significant improvements in all areas of your life. It's not just about attracting women, but also about building stronger relationships, making wiser decisions, and facing challenges with calm and confidence. So, friends, remember that the path to self-realization and success begins with self-mastery.